Let's see if you can relate. You want to watch a movie and you go to your favorite drawer of stuff that you haven't watched or watched in a while and you can't find anything. Look at this drawer. It's unattractive, it's unorganized, just awful. We really need to fix that. So stick around and I'll show you a quick way to put dividers in. Welcome to CNA's Try It. Let's get started with our little organizational project here. First, let's start with clearing out that junk drawer. And for me, this is the therapeutic part. You get to clean it up a little bit, and sometimes you find stuff that you even forgot you even had. Now that the drawer is empty, simply remove it from your console and take it to your workspace. We need to take some measurements. Now grab a tape measure. We're going to be measuring the inside of both the back and the front. Make sure you do both because sometimes your drawer is not completely square, so they may be off by a little bit. Then do the same things for the width. I'm using a very lightweight craft wood, 3/16 for the front and back, and a 3/8 width for the dividers. As we transition to power tools, please remember to use shop safety. For each new board, I cut the end off to have a straight surface point. Cut both the front and back pieces to measurement. For the side pieces, aka the dividers, remember, you need to subtract the thickness of the front and back boards before cutting. Just remember to take your time, measure twice before your actual cuts, and you'll be just fine. Here's a close-up of my layout for 3 slots. For installation, place both the front and back pieces in first. Set each divider to the desired location and then tap the back in place with a hammer. It should be snug. The beauty of this design is that it can be easily removed if necessary. Let's take a look at how it all turned out. Before, it was a total mess, but now I can actually see what I have. For just a little bit of work, you get a major payoff. Organizational bliss. And now for me, I got to do the other 2 doors. Thanks again for watching. Remember to subscribe and come check out our channel. It has something for everyone, I guarantee it. Until the next time, God bless.